Is that store that used to be here?
Yeah, that's the Sparr Mall.
Yeah, they used to have
the burial back.
Yeah. Wow.
Sparr Mall. I think that was the old general store there.
So yeah, it was. You kept on going, and you would hit the Pigeon River, where we used to go in. But it got so bad down there.
I'm sure we weren't too far away.
Yeah.
Yeah, that last intersection was looking pretty rough.
Yeah. And just in that Pigeon River, I don't know what the hell we're gonna find back there.